Tamirati wins the men's marathon at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Yes, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about Tamirati. Yeah, he finished number first in the men's marathon at the Paris 2024 Olympics, winning gold for himself and Ethiopia, of course. Congratulations to Tamirati. Congratulations to Ethiopia. Yes. Number 2 was from Belgium, Bashir Abdi, who won silver for Belgium, of course. And then number 3 was from Kenya. Congratulations to Kenya. Benson Kipruto won was number 3, and he won bronze. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, well, on the other side, it's too bad. Chippy George got an injury while in this match, so he was struggling to finish the match. You take your child.